Today we are serving crimps, you guys. Let's get started. Alright, so today's wig comes from KlaiyiHair, and I will have all of their information in my description bar below. So I wanted to start off with styling the wig on my mannequin head because crimps, if you've never done a crimp look to your hair or to a wig or anything, it takes time, like dedicated time, okay? So this unit comes actually body wave, and it has beautiful highlights throughout the entire wig. The color of this unit will also be in my description bar. I am going to take it track by track just to make sure each and every strand of hair gets a nice crimp look to it. This hot tool can be found on Amazon, and I will put a link to it as well in my description bar below. And I'm going to use the Got to Be Insta Hold as well because it will hold those crimps in place. And usually on each piece, I just hold it for about probably 10 to 15 seconds. I do have it up pretty high in heat because I want to make sure that I keep the crimp in it and that it holds. So this hair came super nice and thick. To talk about the front of the unit, it is a T-part lace wig. I did have to do maintenance to the wig in terms of the parting space as well as the lace in the front. The density of it is just a bit high and thick there, so I wanted to pluck it out some just to thin it out. That way it would lay a little better as well as look natural. The parting space was pretty much gone, so I did have to add some makeup after plucking it just to make sure that it would show. If you guys are looking for a beautiful summer color wig with some length and versatility, I would definitely suggest trying this one out. I did wear this wig glueless. I did the adjustable bands in the back to make the wig fit a little bit more snug. That way it won't slide off. The unit is also extremely big head friendly. Even with my adjustable bands, I felt like I had quite a bit of space. You could probably pluck it just a tad bit more in the front on the hairline. However, there isn't that much lace space to do a lot of plucking. You could also add baby hairs to the unit. I did not do them today personally because I like how it looked without it. So all of the products I use will be in my description bar, as well as direct links to purchase this unit, as well as a direct link to KlaiyiHair's website, so you could check out all of the wig and hairstyles they offer as well. I've worked with this brand before in the past, and each unit I have received from them has been great quality, so I would highly suggest getting a unit from them. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again to KlaiyiHair for sending over today's wig, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.